The S2000 is illegal. I know, I thought this would happen sooner. The S2000 has been illegal for quite some time now. And of course, as I'm driving, a cop pulls up right behind me and immediately, I knew, the lights turned on. Yes, he pulls me over, he walks up to the car and he says,
"Where's your license plate?"
Now, I haven't had my license plate on the S2000 for quite some time, and I'm honestly surprised I haven't gotten pulled over sooner. And this is because my temp tag flew off of the back of my car, and I've been waiting for my custom plate. But we did get a special package from the Utah State Tax Commission, so let's go get that thing. Now, coming to work with us, we have one special guest with us, Eugene! What's up, little man? I don't know if you guys have seen Eugene with his new haircut. We'll get a little bit of a better look at that later. But inside of this package right here are the new plates that we are going to show everyone in just a second. But we did go with the black custom Utah plates, so this is gonna look so good on the S2000. Alrighty, you're gonna have to move on over, Eugene. I don't trust you driving this thing. I can barely drive it. Ooh, smooth is better. We're a little bit late to work, but everyone loves seeing Eugene, so we'll be good, huh, buddy? Look how excited he gets. Casey, look what we got.
A package?
Yep.
We just got
from the Utah State Tax Commission.
Wonder who it's from.
It's from the Utah State No.
Chew it up. That's cool. Check this out, Brian.
No, my car is still gonna be illegal.
Straight to jail.
We got plates.
Plates? You wanna see my plate? 3 eggs. English
Dang.
muffin.
Case,
3
that actually,
pieces of bacon.
That actually looks a lot better than my plate.
Get out of here, boy.
Boom!
Oh, the busy BB.
Dude, that's tough. Dude, that's sick.
I didn't think I'd be able to get it.
Let me see. That's sick.
Ty's gonna go sell those on eBay.
Yeah.
That looks good on there.
You need some black plates, Ty.
Oh, I mean, this is for you for the SG5. Since this is your new car. What? This is sick. Oh.
Whoa, it's you, Paul. Dude, look how sick this is. One day, I'm gonna have a car like this, Ty. One day. I don't know if it'll be a McLaren, but I really do want a Lamborghini Huracan.
I'm with you on that. The Huracan platform, mint.
It's mint, and Huracans are so freaking reliable.
Bulletproof. They are so reliable. We know how to do our own. Hey, Eugene.
Eugene's like, I don't want a Lamborghini. I love McLarens.
Go, boy.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Eugene's a McLaren, dude. I'm sorry, buddy, but this isn't in the budget right now.
What's happening?
What's up, little buddy? Casey, I think Eugene's a McLaren, dude.
Excuse me, sir. Hey, were you just in that vehicle? I'm gonna need you to vacuum and wash it, please.
Get the vacuum ready, Eugene. We've been working our booties off today, so we got some Jersey Mike sandwich. Hey, no! All right, let's go get some sandwiches with the boys.
What did he just say?
Okay, soon enough, we will have the license plate on this S2000, but we're hungry boys. Should I wrap the Tesla this color?
They have a sick pink.
I have been looking into pink colors.
Dude,
Heather really wants a pink, but I do love this color so much.
This is sick, but they're new pink.
Alrighty, Eugene, we're getting ready to race. Bye! We lost him back there.
I'm gonna put NOS on this thing.
Should we get an SQ5?
Yes. Yes, take this.
Eugene loves this thing, dude. Look at him, he's killing it. So, Casey, what happened back there?
It's this little thing called traction control.
Sounds like you need a race car.
Oh.
The Busy Bee.
The Busy Bee. We putting those on the S2000 today.
You legal now?
Yep.
Finally, bud.
Look at this. We got one. We got two. We got three. Dan, you're a normie.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
How are yours so snug to your face?
I have a huge head.
Mine are tightened all the way.
It is about that time. I'm gonna be a legal boy. No more getting pulled over.
How many times have you been pulled over?
Once.
That's a lot.
Casey, the mastermind behind this whole freaking car, is gonna be drilling in some more holes.
Oh, it's another 2 holes, Brian. Let me see that. Okay, Brian, all done.
All done.
It's a little,
that's
a
pretty
little floppy,
professional.
but let's get here.
Okay, the last time I taped something on my car, it flew off, and that was my temp tag.
Okay, there we go. Done. You don't even need drill holes.
Epic.
Just kidding.
Look at this precise man. Alrighty, here we go.
Once I BRB.
We're using this to
You gotta
tighten
make
it.
sure you have the right tools, so I'll let you hold this.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. Casey, this is way too long. Casey,
Should be long enough.
are you sure we don't have a shorter one? This is a bit ridiculous.
Sprinkle.
You should inhale it.
It does smell pretty good. It smells like cherry. Nice cherry.
Will you call me tonight? Da, 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 da. Get free music. The cool thing is, Bri, you're still not completely legal even though you have a plate on.
True, I am missing a light, so technically my car is still legal, but we're a lot more legal.
True, you're
If that makes sense.
getting there. You're progressing.
Well, technically I'm legal during the day, right?
I guess so. Yeah. Just don't drive it at night. Do you know what you're doing with that thing?
I do not know what I'm
Oh, we gotta film Levi first. Yeah, you tell him, Eugene.
Oh my God.
Careful. Easy. So you have to do it from the safety of the sidewalk.
I don't think this is long enough.
Plate light.
Eugene.
Please don't pet the animals. The
Sorry,
dog.
he's just a puppy.
Oh, it's okay. He's cute.
See his dad.
Wait, that's his.
Eugene, come here.
That's you.
Brian just running with a 50-foot long extension.
And just like that, the S2000 is now legal during the day.